Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can use Microsoft Outlook to send the command to our dashboard, which we have developed using a front end in Microsoft Excel, and on the back end we are using Microsoft Access, right? And we can create a new user by sending a by sending a request to the dashboard and create user. This is the subject. If such a subject email, if an email with such a subject is received, so it is going to be moved to the folder which is under watch. The dashboard is constantly watching that is there any request coming from the user, so that will be actioned. So let's start with the backup clearance. For example, we backlog clearance. Let's uh, let's do this. For example, we want to clearance of the backlog. Okay, so all we need to do is send these two lines as a body text, and the rest we remove. So this is our command, and we send it to the email which is assigned to the dashboard. So dashboard is watching if there any if there is any uh, so email coming on this folder which is under watch. This one is so incoming. So it has arrived. It is already moved to it, and the Excel will take the charge of it, and it will start actioning it. And you will see that which 5 days are going to be marked as performed, and these overdue will be reduced from 40,862. It will be a real. It is now 830, right? And the composition of the email is being done automatically, and this is the latest status you have, and this has been uh, mentioned. Means in the email that these are the 5 days which you have requested. They have been marked as performed. Means the activity which was due on 11th May 1979 was done on 5th October 2025. Right. So, you can do as much as old activities can be marked as performed, or you can do it and record it, and your status will be updated and you will be notified through the email. Let's see what email we have received. If we go to the Gmail, this is our Gmail, and we go to the inbox. So we must have received an email today, and that is showing exactly. Whoa. So this is the update, and this is the latest status, 5th of October. Today is 6th of October, so it can only do it. Any next attempt of clearing the would not be entertained because the system works only until yesterday. Anything before the yesterday that would be done, provided there is a availability of that date. So we have been doing all the things regularly, updation of this. So it is for the next thing we have to wait for tomorrow so that we can pass on another clearance of the backlog clearance command to the Outlook. So that would be done, and there this will start from 16th of May from here 5 days, and it will be written tomorrow. It will be 6th of October, right? Tomorrow will be 7th, but on 7th you can perform for the 6th, right? So this is the rule of the game, and this is working automatically. There's no need to have anybody available to entertain the request for the which are coming from different parts of the world, and they are being action automatically. And the database is being used, and that database is having simple structure that you have two table. One is the user table, in which one line for the users, all the information are there, and the same user is repeated for the transactions which are passed day to day for, right? So this is the, if we can filter and we can see it, but this is only on the server part. You don't have to worry about it. All you need to do is send an email, and the system will take the action on your request, right? So let's see the backup. The third table is the backup, which is designed for the user-wise backups, right? User-wise backups. So this master is having 18,057, okay, records, and there are multiple backups. There are multiple backups for this user available, right? If you see how many backups do you have for this, then you can see this that many values. Okay, so when you send a request to have another backup, another copy of history. This is the historical record of all the, yeah. So and the date stamping is done on this cam, right? So when we send, let's send another request to the dashboard, and we go to the send and we say, please let us have a backup of our user, right? So we go to the edit text and we remove anything extra, and we just pass on this parameter, that is the username, user ID. We give the user ID here, and we remove all the rest things from here, and we send this to the dashboard. So this will again take action once it reaches to this step. So this action will be performed by our dashboard automatically, and because it is seeing, it is watching that is there anything with a gap of 45 seconds, it is watching, is there anything to do? So it is doing automatically. So as soon as it sees it, it will take the action, and it will remove that item from that folder after taking the actions. So it is taking now the backup. I hope it takes the backup, and then as soon as this is removed, this item goes away. It means it is the action has been taken. You can see that you will see that this action, this item will get removed, and that's it, right? This is, it's composing it, it's done it, and it is removed. You see, now you can see what email have you got in your inbox regarding performance of the data, and you will be having a new email here 0 minutes ago. This, and your request for backup has been actioned. Backups which are currently available for restoring are mentioned below. So these are the backups which are available. Right from 30th of September until 6th of October, you have got the historical backups available for this. And this information will later on be used to specify if you want, if the user want a restoring or of data from a backup, so that would be done. So it's a feature available, and automatically, it's all done automatically without any human intervention, right? So let's change the user, and we do something. Let's send a request, for example, Mike Carlton. For example, uh, we take a backup of for some other user. We can take backup, yeah, like this. We have Mike Carlton, right? Okay, Mike Carlton, right? So first, let's send some transaction. Let's request backlog clearance of Mike Carlton. What we do here, we take another action. We request for Mike Carlton, for example. Yeah, this one. And we say reply. That's right. And we edit the subject. So this is now we do the backlog clearance for Mike Carlton to say, okay, we remove anything extra. This is our practice that we do not want, and that there should be any confusion, right? So for example, we say 8 days activities have been cleared, right? For Mike Carlton, right? So we send it, and let's see, as soon as it reaches to this folder, the Excel will start taking the action within 45 seconds of span time interval, right? It will keep on watching if such an email is coming which is worthy of taking action. So the action will be taken. So this time you will see the change. The user will be changed, and the graph will be changed. The figures will be changed, and 8 entries will be listed here. 8 entries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And so these were the due dates which have been marked as performed, and this time it is charity donation actually. Now he's doing the charity donations. He had the backlog of plenty of backlog there, so which is being cleared day by day, and these are being cleared. 1830 have been performed, and overdue are 8,424. So these have to be done. And until why 19th July 25? Because that was the date available because this is being done sequentially until 18 was the last one, and the next will be 18 is now 19. If any new thing will be done, so that is that would be marked on a new backlog clearance will be on 20th of July. So why is it? It is because while creating this user, it was asked that when will you want the start of backlog clearance date. So that date was given. So it is the system is using since that date, day to day, whatever the request coming, it is adding one into it, and the next available overdue tasks have been marked as performed. So this is so after taking this, if you want that to see again the backup. So you go to the Gmail, you send an email to take a backup of this, right? So Mike Carlton. Let's go to the Mike Carlton, yeah, and we ask them, we request a new backup for Mike Carlton. So we say reply here, and we edit the subject, we remove this, and we pass this code. This is the requirement for the backup, that which user you want. You might be having multiple users you are managing and your email. So through your email you are sending. So the system will take this as a command, and it will execute it. So you can see the email reaching to this folder, and then action is being taken automatically and responding back. You will be responded back with this the revised status of this, right? We'll see this. If you go and see, the Excel is now ready to perform the action for the backup of this Mike Carlton image. And you will have another backup here for Mike Carlton. If you go here and you see you use a Mike Carlton, at the moment you have how much? You have one date, okay? So next, and at the end of it, you will see there will be two, right? Another additional backup will be available soon, right? So what we do is we refresh all, we say, so it is now sending the email, it has taken the action, and so let's refresh all, and this time now you have two backups, right? Previously it was one, now you have two backups which are there, and in your email the both backups must be showing in your incoming email. You will find that system has said that following are the list of the backup. Your backup request has been taken, and this is 9 minutes ago, and this is 16 minutes ago, and where is it? It will come. Let's let it reach here. Oh, okay. It will reach to the right address. It will reach, because for Mike Carlton, if you see, you go to the user, the Mike Carlton is going to receive all the email notification on this, not in my Gmail, in the Outlook. Okay, so if you go to the Outlook and you go to the inbox, and you will see, so this is the email which has been received, and today's emails are this. These are by size. No need to, it should be by date. Okay, so these are the latest is on top. Latest is on the bottom, problem. On top, rest. Okay, right. So it is showing you the two backups which you have are this 4th of October and 6th of October, right? And the status is here. So this is your status. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.